So, hi guys. Uh, as always, every time I buy something cool and nice, I try to open it and to see what's inside it. So I'm crazy. I don't care. Yup. So we're gonna open the little W3 smartwatch that I bought like nearly $200. So we're gonna choose the right one. I think this is it. Alright, this is big. That's right. Let's see. Or not this one. Yes, this one. So we're gonna try to open the watch to see what's inside. So let's go. Yeah. Let's see what's inside the watch. I'm really excited. I don't know how could I like catch myself for week or I mean for month. Actually, I have it like for 2 months and I didn't open till now. Oh my god. I know I will see like what I have made. Maybe like a small mobile phone. Maybe only the heart rate will be something cool to see, but everything is the same. And I really want to see if it's the real RAM 2.0 or it's just a lie. So actually there's nothing to open. I don't know where to open it from. But I think, oh, that's powered off. That's powered off before. Okay, so it's switched off. Let's go. Oh, wow, so here's the watch. Lovely. Nice. See? Lol. So here's the watch. Oh, there's a small antenna here. Oh, my lovely baby. Oh, nice, the screen. And here's the switch button. On, off. I really love it. It's awesome. So here's the battery. Wow, and here's the antenna. Here's the battery. And here's the charger place. So, do you want to go all the way and open it all? I don't care, but it's too small and I don't have that time to open it all. But you know what? It's a cool thing. You can use it like this. Who cares about this one? And you can put it on other watches. You can maybe change the thing. I will try to change this because it's built in, like on it. Oh, you can take it off too. Nice. You can change the all pieces. Only you make a hole for the heart rate and that's it. What do you think, guys? I'm thinking to do something stupid like this. Like, yeah, lovely piece actually. And by the way, this motherboard is a really good kind of motherboard because I do use motherboards and I do produce them from Turkey and other places, so this is a really good kind of. Oh, look what I found. I think it's a memory place. No, it is not a memory. I'll check it, and there's some kind. I really want to see the batteries inside, so yeah. Love. I mean, lovely. Oh, here's the heart rate worked. Smartwatch. No. Oh, we can put it on. Have you seen the smartwatch like Sherlock Holmes things? You can use that. Wow, it will be nice. and you put it in your heart to see the heart rat. Maybe. Yeah. Awesome. I loved it. La 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 la. I'm really trying to open it all, but not now. After the new ROM, because it will be some dangerous. Oh, nice. Okay. Oh, something fall down. I need to bring it peace. Who cares? Okay. See ya. Bye bye, guys, and please subscribe for my crazy channel, weird channel, and weird person. Love you all.